Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
He's running out for 5 days.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Put your hands behind your back.
On March 4th, 2026, in the Chicago area, 3 ignored stop command seach constitute a separate offense under 720 ILCS 531-1, resisting or obstructing a peace officer, independent of the retail theft charge.
Stop.
That's from 2940.
2940.
I'll be around to Bridgeville 1 now.
That's right.
That's from 40. What you said? She's running back. Sort of like a shot.
Hey, stop. Stop. Stop.
She's running out for 5 days.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Put your hands behind your back. Why are you running? I told you to stop like twice. Fucking idiot. I told you to stop like 3 times. You okay?
You okay?
Did you hit your head? Alright, stand up. When police tell you to stop, you gotta stop. Did you hit your head? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you hurt? Yo, are you hurt? You hurt? I'll get an ambulance. Central 2935. When I took her to the ground, she hit her head. Can I get an ambulance?
Are you bleeding or anything?
I don't think so. We'll get you checked out, okay?
Is that blood or you chewing out some gummies or something?
That's right.
We're at 95th and Campbell by the Walmart. Alright, for now we'll put you in a squad car and then we'll get you checked out, okay?
Nothing that's in a poke or anything? Okay.
That's right.
I guess, did you steal anything? No?
Just that liquor. No liquor or anything? There's no deals or anything.
Alright, well, at the very least, you can't run from the police when they tell you to stop, okay?
You've seen the lights and everything. I mean, you're pretty slow. I mean, no offense, but you're not gonna...
I'm pretty slow too. Just some candy. Anything else on you? I'm gonna unzip your jacket. You got a shirt on?
Yeah.
Anything in your pockets?
This is the last time you used, man.
Look good to me.
Man, this is the last time you used anything. Huh? 8:30? Yes, sir. Okay, I'll go tomorrow.
Yeah, can you throw her? I'll drive over here and then we're gonna put you in this car really quick, okay? I'll grab this. I don't know what's going on over there. Hey, I'm slow, but she's slower. I was like, what are you doing? Just stop. That's funny. She give you a name or no? She doesn't have I'll ask her. I'm sure we got her in locals. Here, you can tell me what's your name? I can't hear you too well. I don't know. What's your first name? What's your date of birth? Found her. Any warrants or anything? Okay, cool. Yeah, you can just forward it to me. That shit was so funny, man. I got it. Shit, we're here till 6 anyways, right?
Just look at each other.
Well, I was laughing. I don't know if you could hear it on my body cam, but I was laughing while running. I'm like, come on, just stop.
Central 2930.
2930.
Trying to say that, you know, to take some merchandise past the last point of sale. I'm going to see if they want to sign.
Yeah, you feeling okay? Did you take any drugs today? No? Okay.
2950 for a burglary, motor vehicle, 92.7 alcohol tank.
What's going on?
She ran from us. I kind of tackled her over here. She may have hit her head. And we got her name. I mean, she's unsteady on her feet. So she said she used yesterday. I don't know if she took any drugs today. Yeah, it's fine.
Graham v. Garner, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, governs the physical tackle. 3 factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of threat, and active resistance or flight. Severity was low. Misdemeanor shoplifting. There was no weapon threat. Sustained flight after 3 ignored commands satisfies the 3rd factor and provides the constitutional justification for physical force. Tennessee v. Garner, 471 U.S. 1, 1985, prohibits deadly force against a fleeing non-dangerous misdemeanor. A tackle is not deadly force. Garner does not apply here. Graham does. Those are not the same test. When a person in custody is injured, the 8th and 14th Amendments require reasonable access to medical care. The officer's immediate ambulance call upon the head injury satisfies this obligation constitutionally and completely. Ambulance called within seconds, welfare checks conducted on camera, and prior drug use reported to EMS. Proactive medical response is the grading defining act of this encounter. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1984, holds that Miranda custody attaches when a person is significantly deprived of freedom, established unambiguously at the physical takedown. Miranda was required before any questioning about the offense. Did you steal anything? Was asked before that advisement. The answer is pre-Miranda and subject to suppression. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 446 U.S. 291, 1980, Interrogation includes any words reasonably likely to elicit an incriminating response. Did you steal anything? Is express questioning, interrogation. This is the sole grading concern preventing an A. Probable cause under Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 213, 1983, remains independently established through the totality, the shoplifting observation, flight as consciousness of guilt, and just some candy, volunteered without prompting, outside Miranda's scope. The officer receives an A-, repeated commands before force, proportional tackle under Graham, immediate ambulance call, and EMS briefing with drug use disclosure are strengths. Pre-Miranda questioning post-takedown is the sole concern. The subject receives a D3 independent resisting acts, admitted retail theft, and prior drug use indefensible. Low value, no violence, and post-apprehension compliance mitigating factors for sentencing. 3 takeaways. First, a tackle is non-deadly force governed by Graham v. Connor, not Garner. Garner prohibits deadly force against fleeing misdemeanants. A tackle is not deadly force. The Graham-Garner distinction determines the entire use of force analysis. Second, custody attaches the moment a person is physically restrained. Any questioning after that constitutes custodial interrogation under Berkemer. Miranda is required before proceeding, regardless of how brief or casual the question appears. Third, the constitutional medical care duty activates instantly upon injury in custody. Immediate action is the standard. Not eventual action. Ambulance called within seconds of a head injury is the benchmark for compliance. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal top issue would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.